Hi, I'm Gabriel Castro from exoticwoodpen.com, and this is a follow-up video on a horizontal belt sander I made several years ago. This jig I made back in 2003, and you probably remember it if you've seen it. I made a couple modifications. I just needed it just recently, so I'll go ahead and show you what they are. So at the disc sander, you see this line right here and here and here. I need to shave all that off on the disc sander to open that up for the wheel. Okay, so here's the piece up close. You can see I got most of all that to the lines on both sides, and that's close enough for what I'm doing. We'll just put it back together. The other modification I made was to the drum sander. I screwed on a lid from a glass jar, a little bit bigger than a baby food jar, I suppose. But anyway, we'll go ahead and put that back together. Oh, you know. Okay, now, oops, back this back up. The other modification I made was to the body of the jig itself. I cut this out a little bit wider to accommodate for the flare out here on the bottom of the drum sander. This is the piece we just modified and put back together. I was getting some wear over here, obviously, from the belt drifting. I thought that this, what I would have put it over here, would have corrected that. But I was just using it recently and was getting a lot more drift going down, grooving this out. So that's why I put this on here. So we'll go ahead and put this back together. Belt goes in first. That slides on. Let's fix a couple of clamps. Let's adjust this height a little bit off the bottom, and just like before, give that a little push to get the tension there. See, that's not tight either. I don't think it really has to be. Okay. Now that everything is tightened up and in place, we'll go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, so the modification worked good. It's not hitting anywhere. It's moving freely. It's not tracking up and down. So this is just a follow-up from the previous video from several years back. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Give it a like, thumbs up, or subscribe, or follow me on my Facebook, exoticwoodpen.com. Thank you.